Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated comebacks in the world of hyper street fighters, the Suzuki B-KING 1340 2026. Known for its raw power, intimidating street presence, and unmatched aggression, the B-KING has always been a machine built for pure adrenaline lovers. The 2026 model promises major upgrades in performance, design, and technology. So let's break down everything this beast brings to the table. 2. Design styling. The 2026 Suzuki B-KING takes a bold step forward with an evolved muscular design. From every angle, the bike screams dominance. The bodywork has been sculpted with sharper lines and aerodynamic edges, staying true to the original B-KING DNA while adding modern styling. The front section features redesigned LED projector headlights, aggressive air intakes, and wider handlebars to enhance its street fighter look. The fuel tank has grown in size and sharpness, giving the bike a more intimidating stance. Moving towards the rear, you get a sleeker yet edgy tail section with integrated LED indicators and a newly designed dual exhaust system that maintains the B-KING's signature roar. Overall, the 2026 B-KING has the presence of a true hyperstreet machine, massive, muscular, and unapologetically powerful in its appearance. 3. Engine performance. Now let's talk about the heart of this monster, the engine. The 2026 B-KING is powered by a 1,340cc inline-4 engine, directly inspired by the legendary Hayabusa power unit. Suzuki has re-engineered the engine with better cooling, an improved ECU, and enhanced fuel injection for sharper throttle response. This updated engine delivers exceptional torque throughout the rev range, providing instant acceleration whether you're cruising or opening the throttle wide. The bike is capable of pushing beyond 280 km/h, maintaining stability and confidence even at high speeds. The sound of the engine itself is enough to send chills down your spine, a deep, powerful note that perfectly matches its aggressive nature. In short, performance lovers will not be disappointed. The 2026 B-KING is built for riders who crave speed, power, and raw mechanical emotion. 4. Advanced technology electronics. Suzuki has packed this new B-KING with state-of-the-art electronics to match its massive power. You get Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SIRS, multiple riding modes for different terrains and conditions, cornering traction control, cornering ABS, quick shifter, up-down, ride-by-wire throttle, launch control system, cruise control, full-color TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity. The TFT display allows navigation, call alerts, music control, and detailed bike diagnostics. These features make the B-KING not just fast, but smart and extremely rider-friendly. 5. Suspension frame braking. Handling is another area where Suzuki has significantly improved the 2026 model. The bike features adjustable inverted front forks, rear monoshock with customizable damping, lightweight yet strong frame design. These upgrades offer excellent stability, especially when cornering at speed. The suspension system absorbs road imperfections well, allowing a comfortable yet sporty ride. For braking, the B-KING comes equipped with dual front disc with Brembo calipers, single rear disc, high-performance ABS system. The combination of powerful brakes and intelligent ABS ensures confident stopping power even at high speeds. 6. Riding experience. The riding experience of the Suzuki B-KING 1340 is nothing short of thrilling. The upright street fighter riding position provides excellent control and comfort. You feel in command at all times, whether you're maneuvering through city traffic or pushing the bike on open highways. The throttle response is smooth but aggressive when needed. The bike's immense torque provides punchy acceleration, giving riders a rush of excitement every time they twist the throttle. The wide handlebars, comfortable seat, and refined suspension make long rides enjoyable too. In short, the 2026 B-KING offers a perfect balance between street comfort and hyperbike performance. 7. Price expected launch. While Suzuki has not officially announced the price, the 2026 B-KING is expected to fall into the premium superbike category. With its advanced features, powerful engine, and iconic legacy, the bike will attract enthusiasts who are willing to invest in a high-performance machine. 8. Conclusion. The Suzuki B-KING 1340 2026 is a masterpiece, powerful, modern, and technologically advanced. It stays true to its bold identity while improving on all fronts. If you're a fan of street fighters or simply love powerful machines, the B-King deserves a top spot on your wish list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews.